I am ready to bake.
I can't bake.
You bake pies.
You bake and you cook?
Don't know how to bake.
I can barely boil water.
I'll go boil some water.
Then you can't unboil water? Mix and boil.
Boil!
High broil.
Broil of anything.
High broil, little salt, high broil.
Cook?
Who's cook? Our cook.
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 The cook.
Thank you for cooking.
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 Crush him! Yes! Crush him!
Crush. Crush the candy.
Frozen. Frozen waffle?
Frozen!
Frozen yogurt.
Fry.
I expect you to fry.
Fry, poach.
We're making stir fry and...
What's the secret ingredient?
Secret ingredient.
The secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient.
The first ingredient.
A mix.
And mix, 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 mix.
Mix it in.
Mix, 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 mix.
Peel.
Thanks.
Roast.
Now you're gonna peel.
And cucumber peel.
Peel.
Pepper, sir?
Pepper.
No pepper.
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 Okay, now pour it in.
Now pour, pour, pour.
I pour.
Pour me another.
So pour.
Bertie's pie recipe.
Your recipe.
And your recipe.
Family recipe.
It's a recipe.
Salt. Salt. Salt.
Salt.
Salt.
No slice.
We're getting my...
A slice.
Slice, slice, baby. Slice, slice.
Slice.
One slice of our famous...
Spice.
It's rice and it's spice.
An Indian spice kit, a Caribbean spice kit, and a Middle Eastern spice kit.
One more stir and...
Stir it up. Area.
Hate this.
Stir, Nikki, stir!
Give it a good stir.
Stir it in.
Stir. Now.